Hello everybody, welcome to Healthy Habits. Today we're going to be talking about tips for healthy aging. Getting older can lead to limitations of things that you used to do so confidently. Aging might be scary to some, and unfortunately, it's inevitable to all of us. So let me show you a few things that'll improve your quality of life and confidence in the skin you're in. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload next, and let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Avoiding tobacco. Tobacco damages your lungs and the cells within your body, taking roughly 9 years off your lifespan if you're a regular user. Your skin becomes dry, dull, and yellow, depriving your skin of nutrients. This then causes premature aging, which consists of memory loss, high blood pressure, and stress on the body. There are so many reasons why you should avoid tobacco, especially when dealing with your well-being. You'll develop a clear mind, live longer, save money, be more confident, and feel much happier. Plus, you'll be doing others a favor because cigarettes, for example, introduce secondhand smoke, giving whoever inhales it the same symptoms as the one smoking it. Definitely something you don't want traveling through your body. Number 2, building a stable relationship. Whether it's a spouse, friend, or family, building a stable relationship is beneficial for everybody. If a loved one encourages you to eat more healthy, exercise, not smoke, and so on, you're more likely to follow in their footsteps. Being surrounded by people who are engaged in healthy behaviors will encourage you to do the same, making it a win situation. Being in a relationship where genuine love is included, no matter what kind, will give a person a sense of purpose and well-being. It's then possible you can even add years to your life when you have purpose compared to having an obligation to something. Number 3, proper nutrition. Investing in a healthy diet made for you will go a long way in keeping your body in tip-top shape. Foods like greens, tomatoes, garlic, soybeans, and those that have antioxidants in them are perfect for avoiding things like sicknesses and cancers. You'll find yourself consuming healthy amounts of vitamins and lipine, which helps to prevent heart problems and even sunburns, low cholesterol, reduced blood pressure, heart and skin infections, and improved sleep. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in elderly, but taking the proper nutrition will both improve your life expectancy and the quality of your life, no matter what age, gender, or race you are. Number 4, limiting alcohol intake. Consuming more than 2 ounces of alcohol a day can lead to physical, mental, and emotional problems. It'll cause issues to your social interactions and interrupt the brain's communication pathways, making it harder to think, make decisions, and move properly. Long-term side effects will prevent your body from retaining strong bones, muscle weakness, cramping, and sooner or later atrophy. Atrophy is the degeneration of the cells that have lost their effectiveness due to underuse or neglect. Nothing good comes out of drinking alcohol, but if you decide to partake in this, then remember to limit your use and find a routine to counteract the bad effects. Number 5, avoid caffeine before bed. Sleep deprivation is a stimulant, with caffeine being one of the main components. This disrupts the function of your body's circadian rhythm. It makes it so much harder, if not impossible, to go to sleep because it goes straight to your nervous system, which is the main source of everything you taste, feel, and see. As you age, you get more sensitive to caffeine, which then leads to worse sleeping habits. Certain cheeses, milk, and yogurt are great snacks to eat if you find yourself hungry close to bedtime though. They actually promote better rest and induce drowsiness. Bananas and sweet potatoes are some more great snacks that will also lessen the chances of you waking up in the middle of the night still hungry. When it comes to healthy aging, a routine is highly needed in order to keep your body as nourished as possible. You might find yourself in a situation you weren't ready for, but there's always a solution. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload next, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.